Hello and welcome back to SAP ABAP with Jad. In the previous lesson, we learned how to use IF, ELSEIF, and ELSE to check multiple conditions. Today, we'll learn how to combine multiple conditions. For this, we'll use the logical operators and, or, and not. What are logical operators? Logical operators help us combine multiple conditions or reverse a condition. In ABAP, we use and all conditions must be true, or at least one condition must be true, not reverses a condition. Let's start with and. Example 1, and open transaction SE38. Create a new program called Z_logical_operators and save it as a local object. Let's go through the code step by step. We have two variables, LV_age and LV_country. LV_age contains the value 25. LV_country contains Germany. Now look at our IF condition. IF LV_age greater than or equal to 18 and LV_country equals Germany. Here we have two conditions. The first checks whether the age is at least 18. The second checks whether the country is Germany. The AND operator means both conditions must be true. Because 25 is greater than or equal to 18 and the country is Germany, both conditions are true. Therefore, the output is access granted. If we change the country to France, the second condition becomes false. The complete end condition is then false, and the output will be access denied and is useful when several requirements must be true at the same time. Example 2, or now. Let's look at or, explanation. Or, here we check two conditions. The first is LV_age less than 18. The second is LV_age greater than or equal to 65. The OR operator means at least one condition must be true. Our age is 17, therefore the first condition is true. So the complete OR condition is true, and ABAP displays special age group. If neither condition is true, the else block is executed. For example, with an age of 30. Remember, with OR, one true condition is enough. Not now. Let's look at the not operator. Not is used to reverse a condition. For example, explanation. Not the variable LV_active contains X. The condition LV_active equals would check whether the variable is empty. With not, we reverse this condition because LV_active is not empty. The not condition is true. Therefore, the output is user is active. With and, or, and not, we can create much more powerful decisions in our ABAP programs. Exercise. Now it's your turn. Create your own ABAP program. Create two variables, one variable for the user's age, one variable for the user's status. Then use IF and logical operators. Your task. If the user is at least 18 years old and active, display. Access granted. If at least one of the conditions is not fulfilled, display access denied. Try to solve the exercise yourself. Then change the values of your variables and test different combinations. Summary. Today you learned what logical operators are, how and works, how OR works, how not works, how to combine multiple conditions in an IF statement, how to use logical operators for practical decisions. In the next lesson, we'll learn how to combine multiple conditions using nested IF statements. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.